Hey to all our viewers out there, it's Matt from Fireball Towing. I've got my little helper here. Say hi, Riley. Hi. What we're doing today, we have a problem with our shift boot in our tow truck. We're losing things out there into no man's land. So we're going to fix that today so that we don't lose stuff that's sitting on the floor. With our new shift boot, it's a Spectre piece. Comes with a chrome ring, shift plate, more suited to muscle cars. But I think it'll look good in the old tow truck here. Tow truck's pretty square, doesn't have any rounded curves on it or anything. So it'll go roughly in this orientation. And that will have the rest of the boot around the shifter. And that'll give us our sealed shift boot. Keep all the ugly stuff outside and possibly furry four-legged critters from coming inside. So first things first, I guess we're going to have to pull that 2-speed switch off, possibly pull that handle off. I guess that looks like a 7/16 nut and bolt holding that on, and probably a 3/4 for that. So grab our tools here. This is my portable toolbox. So 7/16, we'll need a backup probably right there, and a 3/4. Grab 11/16 just in case I was wrong. Sometimes that happens. Munch, can you hold those? There we go. Need the little ones. You want a video? You want to hold the camera? No? Okay. There we go. All buttoned up. Looks pretty good.